My hobby is traveling. I think everyone always used to travel, but I think traveling is just not a traveling for me. It's a medicine for me. It's a some types of medicine. Uh, when I feel stressed from my workout, and when I feel some sad from any of things, then I always used to travel. I would like all types of travel by train, by bus, by aeroplane, but I never travel by a ship. I want to travel by a ship also. I like travel with my friends, always with my friends, but without a guidance, I always like to travel. The major reason is that to travel, I, I, I heard many of entrepreneurs. They started their journey from the travels. When they are traveling, they find some of problem and they solve them. And now they are the millionaire people. I want to example you the Oyo owner Ritesh Agrawal. When he is traveling, he finds there is no room, there is no facility, uh, any kind of room वगैरह. So he decided कि यार thousand or lakhs of people are traveling, but they are suffering a lot of problems, and there is no way there is no one person to solve this problem. Then he created his app and started to service providing to, and the every of hotels in the cities country, they he connected each other, and he make a app, and easily that the pupil can book a room and the other things. The second example is that the owner of Zomato, Devinder Goyal, when he was traveling, he was a lot of hungry, but he also observed that he have to go 20 to 25 kilometer, then he can eat food, or he can bring for their friends. But he also felt कि he also think, is there any of types of service he can book, he ready to pay more extra money, but there is no way to get the food. Then he think, he work on that problem, and they started their company also. Now the biggest company of food delivery app is Zomato. He is earning uh, 2000 crore a year or a month. I think I want to be a one of them entrepreneur. I love to travel because if I'm not going, I never find a problem, and I never solve them. So I want to be a entrepreneur of them. So thank you.